this is like a criminal. Everybody know me, they say that she go. Lipstick liner, lashes for celebrities. And if she looking good, then you say she be. Oh, you think you know me? Probably Instagram. Reposting my picture saying you're a fan. No need for a filter, cause my beat is ill. Have you looking good? Man, if looks good, kill.
Hey guys, Tatiana Ward here. Thank you so much for joining me. You like? So many of you checked out my Instagram and saw these pictures of me wearing this very dark hair, something totally different than what you guys are used to. It is a full-on lace wig that my dear friend Tiara Milton from SheAndHerStudio made. And the hair goes in line with my most recent class that I just announced. It is called Stitch and Slay. And me and Tiara linked up so that we could teach you guys the art of wig making and also my makeup artistry, all in one class. The response has been amazing. We have very little seats left. And if you guys are interested in taking a class learning how to make wigs and also learning how to do makeup from two very skilled artists, then there's a link down here. Also, I'm gonna link the video announcement in here somewhere so that you guys can check out further details about what to expect in that class. But if you're interested in this wig, which is called the Promise Wig, Tiara is offering a discount for my subscribers. I think she's taken like $100 off, so make sure that you contact her. In terms of this makeup, this is the makeup that I've been wearing in the pictures that you guys have seen on Instagram. Everybody keeps asking me about it, and it's just like perfect summer makeup, simple, under 10 minutes. It's my favorite makeup to do in the summertime, and I'm gonna come out with more videos about summertime makeup, but this one in particular is definitely a fave. So if you care to learn how I achieve the look, then stay tuned. All right, guys, so to start this look, I'm going to use a trusted favorite, old handy dandy, Studio Fix. This is a full coverage powder from MAC, and I just find that powder eats up oil more than putting something creamy or liquidy on. This is a product that I began using long before I became a makeup artist. Putting it in my eyebrows. And because it's buildable, you can also do your touch-ups with it. And just like that, it's like I have foundation on. So that is, again, MAC Studio Fix. I used NW40. I'm gonna go into MAC's concealer. This, again, a staple in my kit, something that just doesn't change. Favorite concealer ever. This is a little dark for me to highlight with, so I'm putting down a darker color first, and then I'm gonna lighten it, kind of balance it out with a Nazaire color. So this is the only cream that I'm putting on my face, and the reason I don't mind it so much is because underneath your eye is no sweat glands, so I'm not gonna start to wrinkle or like gather a whole bunch of sweat under here. You will down here, but not like right in the creases of the eye. Lightening it up. I went from NW35 to NW25. Okay, I could put a little bit in the center of my forehead just for a slight highlight. Turning my MAC concealer brush on its side. Highlighting down the center of my nose. Carrying that excess around my mouth to lighten up any darkness that I might have around my mouth. I'm pretty much using the concealer the way I normally would, but I'm not using quite as much as I normally would because I don't want all that product that will sweat off. Taking my new favorite little sponge from Sigma Cosmetics, I'm just going to start to blend that concealer out. And again, it's really not nearly as much as I would normally use if I had a full face on. Gonna kind of take the back of that, take the excess, carry it onto my lid so my lid's not super dark because my lids are naturally just dark. Carrying it down, just merging, blending that upper lip area. Gonna do the same. Take the back of the sponge, carry the excess onto my lid. Could start to blend out my forehead. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and begin to set under my eye and then set the rest of the face. Even though it's only powder that I put on the rest of the face, it still has to be set. And in the end, it's just one more layer that sweat and oiliness has to get through. So why not just put a clear coat over it? Get that translucent powder in your eyebrows as well, because you'll have an easier time drawing on your brow with a powder and something, you know, some grit for it to cling to. And what I'll do after that translucent powder is on is add a little bit more of my Studio Fix. One more layer of powder. So at this point, I'm just powdered to death, and I can begin to contour my cheeks using one of Nars's Duo Contours. I'm gonna use the darker of the two colors and just putting that in the hollow of my cheek. Could put a little at my forehead. I'm taking the excess concealer that's on my brush, and just because I feel like I brought my contour too low, I'm just balancing it out a teeny tiny bit, and then I could work it in. I could put a little bit more concealer on there. I don't want anything too harsh on my face right now. It's barely any product there. Okay, I'm gonna take my handy dandy spiked pencil, and I'm just going to accent my brow. I think as of lately, I got a pretty good shape going for my brow, which y'all know it could be sometimey. That is pretty good. Okay, and I'm gonna pop on my favorite lashes. These are Dallas from Love Lash Co. And the offer still stands for you to get 10% off of these lashes when you use the code BEATFACEHONEY. These are hella reusable. They're faux mink, and they're like super duper sturdy. I'd say I've been wearing these for like 2 weeks, on and off. It is just amazing what a lash can do for a girl, you know? Oh, I will never get over you until I find it. All right, I just dipped into my contour color in that Nars palette, and I'm just gonna put a smidge of depth right in the hollow of my eye. Same on this side, just using a fluffy E40 brush from Sigma. Carrying a little bit of that right into the nook of my brow, just for some added drama here. I could take a little pencil brush and take that same color, all one color that I'm contouring my cheeks with, my forehead with, and used it as an eyeshadow too. Running it right along the bottom of my eyelash. Could take a black pencil, line the inside of my eye. This is a MAC pencil. The color is Smolder. And I'm going to take my mascara. This is Marc Jacobs. You can use whatever mascara you like. I think the only things that really aren't interchangeable about this look, obviously you could switch out your lashes, you could switch out your blush once I put the blush on. I mean, really whatever you want. But I think the main ingredient to the entire look and what it's really contingent upon is that Studio Fix powder, which is essentially acting as our foundation. I'm so sad because I'm running out of this mascara, and it's like legit the best. The color is Velvet Noir. The brand is Marc Jacobs. This is the one that they inscribed my name on, and I'm so sad that it's running out because it's also just really freaking good. I like my lashes lumpy. I like my lashes lumpy. And my favorite blush since last year is Benefit Galifornia Dream. It's like a peachy situation, and I really hope that it wasn't special edition. I should have looked by now because I pretty much use this like for every look. I don't like blush on myself, so this look is so minimal though that I pile it on. Put a little on my nose. Baby, I do. It just won't stop. It goes by. Boot up. I've been absolutely obsessing over this color. It's called Spice Girl. I've been just putting on a dab of it. Yeah, so put some of that on, and then I'll just put a little chapstick on, and I'm done. Absolutely love that outcome. So there you have it, nice and simple for summer. Couldn't get any easier, I tell ya. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. If you are loving this wig and wanting to inquire with Tiara about her making you your very own, there's an email down below where you can contact her. And for those of you looking to learn the art of wig making and also my makeup artistry, there's a link down below to where you can learn all about the Stitch and Slay workshop coming to Atlanta on August the 5th. Make sure you check out that link for further details. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys right back here real soon. Bye.